Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Project Max. This video is going to be about how I sticker bombed my car and how I went about it. But before we get to that, as you can tell, I could use a haircut really bad. So we're actually going to go to my boy Taz barbershop in South Philly, and then we're going to get right into this video. Just parked my car a couple blocks down, but we're gonna make our way over there because my appointment was at 2 o'clock and it is now 1:59. So, and he likes it when people are punctual, so let's get going. The wonders of having a lowered Miata. It feels like you're sitting on the fucking ground. But anyways, I don't know if you can hear me because of my mask, but we're about to make our way over there. Oops, I dropped my money. Mind you, my hair is really bad. So, you know, since the whole coronavirus, no barbershops are allowed to be open. He hasn't been opening for a while. He actually opened up about a month ago, and I just decided to wait out because I knew he'd be overwhelmed with appointments and shit. So he finally squeezed me in today at 2. What's up, Ty? Alright, everybody, as always, the boy Ty hooked it up. This is why I always come to Philly to get a haircut, because I know what I'm getting. Always. Always. Alright, Ty. Good looks, homie. Take it easy. I'm probably going to put up Ty's Instagram page somewhere in the video, maybe here or here, I don't know. But he has a page for his barbershop, and he has you know, his own personal page. So yeah, now we're just gonna head back to the car. We'll try to make it back home as fast as possible. I got a couple showings around like 5 or so. So yeah, this video is about how I sticker bombed my car and why I decided to do it the way I did it. Honestly, a lot of people say that recording, talking, and driving has always been tough. I always thought it'd be easy, but holy shit, holy bleep. I am not having fun right now. The reason why I did it the way I did was because I feel like it'd be easier to peel off if I ever decide to respray the bumper or respray the car in the near future. And B, because you can actually choose your own theme, your own mix and match of stickers that you'd like. I know that there is sticker bomb, what are they called, the vinyl wraps on eBay or almost anywhere, honestly. And yeah, I mean, if you want to do it that way, it'd be a lot easier and quicker for you, but you won't have, you know, your own set theme. Me personally, I picked the Star Wars theme.
Hello there.
So I ordered about 250-ish amount of stickers in Star Wars, and I actually mixed and matched like some random ones. But yeah, that's why I decided to do it the way I did it. So the way I did it was I actually decided to plastic dip my bumper before I put the stickers on there. Now, the reason why I did that was, like I said, I wanted to be able to peel it off a lot easier rather than doing it sticker by sticker. I could just try to peel off the whole plastic dip. So I went ahead and plastic dipped my bumper black, and then I started putting the stickers over it, and you know, I slowly started filling up, you know, the whole bumper. Once I got done filling up the bumper, I actually wanted to put a clear coat on there for weathering purposes. So a lot of people recommended me lacquer. Other people recommended me Spray Max 2K clear coat, I think it's called. But the one that was available the quickest for me was the lacquer. Now, I decided to give the lacquer a try. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. It's a weird word. Lacquer, I don't know. But anyways, I decided to give that a try. I actually ended up using it, and I put a layer on there. And honestly, it kind of soaked the stickers and just made them all wet, rather than actually putting a layer over it, which was something, you know, that's what I was looking for. So I abandoned that idea, and then I quickly switched to plastic dip glossifier. Now, the plastic dip glossifier I chose because that will actually add a layer and texture to the stickers rather than just soaking the stickers and making them completely wet and just a bad time, honestly. But so I did I did a few small coats, but I used, I believe, 2 cans in total because they were kind of tall cans. And honestly, I was super excited. I really liked the outcome. I'm gonna try to put a picture up right now. The bumper came out great. Actually a lot better than I expected it to come out. Oh man, there's a lot of traffic here. So yeah, it came out a lot better than I thought it would. But then it rained, and it rained, and it rained. I think it rained for like 3 days straight, honestly. I don't even know. But the rain kind of messed up my some of the stickers. Not all of them. I would say maybe like a 5% of the whole bumper. It was mostly on the top area of the bumper where the hood and the bumper meet, that little gap. I guess there was a little tiny area that I didn't really spray too well, and then water started going in through there. time it got here, I had already given up on the project because the stickers were already messed up. So I tried to my best of my abilities to fix it. I just did a quick repair job. I didn't really put too much mind into it because by that point I was just like, I mean, already started messing up. I'm gonna have to start over anyways. So I just threw it on there, or at least on the parts that it was peeling off, and yeah, just called it a day. My advice is to, yeah, I would definitely recommend plastic dipping your bumper before putting the stickers on there. But once you put the stickers on there, just completely skip the whole clear coat part. I feel like it's just a waste of time. Not only does it soak your stickers, it messes them up, it doesn't let them stick correctly, and it's just a waste of money. Honestly, the way that I would do it is I would put the stickers on there and immediately order one of those clear vinyl wraps from I believe eBay. eBay is probably the cheapest you'll find. They actually make big enough ones for, I want to say, almost any part of your car, honestly. It's going to run you about, it depends how big of a section you get, but it's going to run you about, I don't know, 15, 20, 25 bucks. I believe they start at like 15 bucks or something like that. And it just depends, you know, how big of a section you need. So I hope that you learn from my mistakes. So on the way home from getting a haircut, my camera actually ended up dying. I was in the middle of telling a story about how I went to go show a property about an hour away. There was a lot of back roads that led up to it because the place is pretty remote. But once I got there, there was this, it was like a dirt road / rocky road. It was in a bit of an incline, and also it was a little, you know, wobbly. But I thought that I was up for the challenge. I thought my Miata could definitely get back there. I didn't really consider the fact that I put a new suspension on it that lowered it about like an inch or an inch and a half. I don't know, but an inch and a half goes a long way, let me tell you. I got about a quarter way through, and I was just like, oh, this is not that bad. But then I got about halfway through when my car started like sliding around, and it was not a fun time at all. There was a point where my car actually ended up bottoming out. I almost got stuck, and I could have sworn that I punctured a hole through my oil pan, and it was just not a good time at all. I immediately threw it in reverse, turned right around, and went to the front of the property. I ended up showing the property later on, but then on my way home, before I left, I looked to see if there was any leaks, any for like coolant or oil or anything. I also checked my steering, I checked my control arms and all that stuff. Everything was okay. So on the way home, I didn't hear anything, I didn't see anything, and once I got home, I actually got out of the car, I grabbed all my stuff, and I took a look around, but once I got to the front of the car, I realized that my eBay special lip that was $50 is missing. Yeah, it was definitely not fun to realize that was missing, just because I don't like how my car looks without the lip, but somewhere out there, my lip is lonely and cold. I would prepare a search and rescue mission, but I just feel like it's not worth it. I'll probably just end up buying another lip, and then this time I'm going to use washers, bolts, and nuts to secure it rather than just the tap-in screws that I actually got with it. And I ended up buying more tap-in screws and zip tying it. So yeah, my lip is missing. But I just want to say thank you for tuning in to another video of Project Max. I will be making another video soon. I've just been a little busy, probably about my car's current standings and all the upgrades I've done so far. Although getting some new car parts really wouldn't hurt. I was looking to get maybe a new exhaust or bucket seats or hard dog roll bar. I don't know, either one of those. My ultimate goal is to try to get a track ready, because I know I'm not going to make it this season, but next season will definitely I'll have to get this car track ready. That's why I got the suspension, and a few other toys. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you could give that thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell so you're notified when I launch a new video. Alright, thank you.